If you're like me and you enjoy the Olympic fanfare more than the matches themselves, then this right here is the place to be. I'm currently standing at the Park of Champions. I had to wait for about 1 hour outside in the line to be able to make it inside. There are multiple people that have shown up, although the capacity for this particular event is only 13,000. It's going to be on for the next 2 weeks approximately. So if you're in Paris for the Olympics, then you should definitely come here. It's where all the athletes from different countries who won medals already are going to be coming in. They're going to be showcasing their medals. As far as India is concerned, of course, Manu Bhaker, we're expecting to see inside. They're going to be, all the athletes in fact, are going to be walking a ramp. They're going to be showcasing the medals that they've been able to win so far. And Manu Bhaker, like I said, is somebody that our eyes are going to be on inside the stadium. Other than that, of course, there's a spectacular view of the Eiffel Tower right behind me. I'm sure you can see it. There's multiple people here. They're queuing up for different drinks. They're also queuing up for some food. They're here, of course, to enjoy the Olympics together, to enjoy the spirit of the Olympics together. And we've come inside just to be able to show you what the Park of Champions for the Olympics 2024 in Paris is like. So let's go in and let's show you what the craze and the fanfare is all about. What the Park of Champions looks like. That right there in the middle is the ramp walk on which all the athletes are going to be walking. Also, as you can see, the stadium is jam-packed. It opened only about 20 minutes ago, and in 20 minutes it has become absolutely full. And wait for it, there's going to be a spectacular view of the Eiffel Tower. There we go. Alright, so we've shown you what it was like inside. The energy, of course, was infectious. There were lots of medalists that came in. Unfortunately, we could not see the Indian medalist because she was not there on the ramp. However, it was really hot at the beginning. The sun has sort of started to go down now. As you can see, people are just trying to cool themselves off. Other than that, let's go around now. Let's try and talk to some of the fans that have come here, and let's ask them what it's like for them to be here at the Paris 2024.
We both like sports, and we really like volleyball too, so yeah, we're very excited about it's gonna be an USA against Germany match, so we're very excited.
It's a real experience, and the good part of it is like we live in Germany, so we just watched the Euro Cup. And now we're watching the Olympic Games, so we can see also like the two contrasts. But I really like also like the organization, how it's also like the city full of people, like for internationals, and for sure like it's a really nice city. I mean, just to visit, to go around, and we have the plus of the Olympic Games. It's like amazing actually. I support a couple of athletes from the Ecuador team. As a background, I used to be an athlete, and I know like from personally like there's like 3 people that are in the national team. I used to do like like that's in German, track and field.
I will definitely support Germany tomorrow. But yeah, of course, Ecuador is my hometown, so.
I'm feeling great because this is an awesome experience for us.
I like so much this experience because it's so beautiful to see a lot of people of different countries.
I am very happy to visit it once in my life, and I'm here with my mom and my sister, and we are here since yesterday. But we really enjoy it so far because it's really good organized and stuff, and also the atmosphere is really great. I think it's a good idea to do something like this because the contact with the champions is also something special.
So that is what a day at the Park of Champions looked like. We hope you enjoyed watching this as much as we enjoyed filming it for you. I'm Paridhi Bhanot reporting for One India from Paris. The Olympics are about athletes, games and medals. But this season, we bring you all of that with a side of food, culture and memorable experiences. I'm Paridhi Bhanot bringing you all the latest from Paris for One India.